I just want to say how excited I am to come back out and teach in Denver this May. For Jonathan, it's always one of my favorite weekends when I get to come out and visit Denver. It's my hometown, and Jonathan's one of my favorite promoters to work for, in part because he always takes my workshop titles and makes them much better and much more marketable. So for that first one, I'm just gonna show you guys one of my favorite patterns and some styling that goes with it. And I'll do that in that process that I like to do, where I kind of build up to the pattern and show sort of the fundamental pieces that work their way up to it, so that you're almost getting like multiple variations in one as we work our way to kind of the final version, along with all the mechanics that are important for the communication between the leader and the follower there, and some stylings that the followers can do within it. I've got some extra time for musicality. I love that he's given me 2 hours to work with you guys. I'm going to talk to you guys about how I actually like to sort of build the dance, kind of from the start and into the dance, or kind of from the big picture down to the little picture, to create communication between you and your partner about the song that you're dancing to and the direction you want to take that dance. When you watch someone dance and they just have that like nice kind of movement flow to them going on almost kind of the whole time, it's not necessarily like, oh look, they did a big giant body roll or an isolation. They have flowy movement, and it's just talking a lot about kind of how the pieces work together throughout your dance, and especially on your anchor, to just create kind of that modern, smooth, flowy, almost watery look. And I'm going to talk about some different transitions of how I like to combine patterns as an alternative to your normal anchor and walk. This is one of my favorite topics to talk about, and that is where I'm going to work on how our connection communicates a lot more to our partner than just kind of where we are in space, but actually a lot of like the subtleties of how we're moving our bodies, so that I can feel what my partner's doing, they can feel what I'm doing. We can both be influenced those things, and even though we don't necessarily need to match each other, we can move in a much more complementary way, in a way that feels more together and communicative. Can't wait to see you all in May. I look forward to working on all of that with you.